Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, before going to the new topic, you can review your part 1 by scanning this QR code or searching the YouTube video, which is the link is in the below. The part 1. Now, coming to the topic, we are going to learn about the number line. So, have you seen here? Here you have a number line which has 0 to 10 in the right side and rest of them in the left side are the negative numbers and 0 is in the middle, right? Because this is neither positive nor negative, right? This is neither positive or nor negative, and this is the predecessor, means it is one less than the number. Successor is one more than the number, means if n is the number, then you can tell that successor is n plus 1, the number added with 1, and the predecessor can be told as a number subtracted with 1. Next, these are the definitions which are very briefly given. Predecessor means the n minus 1 is that, and it has a spatial movement at the left hand side, and it is bright blue, okay, and it is step before. N plus 1 is the vice versa of it, and this is the rhythms of the baseline. 0 is a baseline, whereas the positive integers are the up values and negative ones are in this negative values. They are recorded like a vertical spikes, like a dips of the heartbeat, measuring exact deviations. So this is when we compare with those both, we may get the same understanding of the concept, where the baseline is 0 and the positive integers are on the up, where the negative integers are on the down. Now, after you have already completed the concept, here is an infography where you can have everything in a summarized manner in the image, and this is the mind map, everything which is given, and you can even access your interactive quiz for the session by scanning this QR code or writing this or visiting this link. So let's meet in the part 3 at the next horizon, with special reasoning is just the beginning. Now we'll be going to next integers, advanced core concepts. So, and if you find this video helpful, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you and have a nice day.